Welcome back, everyone. I'm headed today to pick up an old CJ-5 I bought. It's a project. Used to be a racing Jeep, but it's another thing I do on the side for some cash. So you gotta do what you gotta do. We're gonna be pulling a Jeep with a Jeep. So we got the 16-footer hooked up. I'm hoping everything works out good as far as getting it on here. That wood gets slippery when it's wet. So we'll see how it goes, I guess. We made it here. That's the Jeep down there, backing in.
Those two seem to hold air okay.
Okay. It's awesome the glass ain't broke though. Yeah. This monster right here. This sucker. It's coming out slowly, little by little. We had to leave the air tank running because the passenger side tire kept going flat as soon as we filled it up. So it took a good little minute to get it up on that trailer, or a good few minutes, should I say. And also the crank got jammed, so that's why they were sitting there working on it and trying to get that fixed. As far as the Jeep, it's actually an old racing Jeep from Pennsylvania. The guy that we got it from, his family had it, and they used to race it a lot up there. I haven't found out a whole lot about the Jeep yet, but if I do, I'll update y'all on that. But I only paid $200 for this Jeep. I plan on kind of fixing it up, restoring it. Might try and keep the original gold trim and stuff they put on there as well. If you like watching our videos, please hit the like and subscribe. Help our channel grow. Tap that bell for new videos. Thank you. We got her sitting on the trailer here. This one gonna eventually be a project, hopefully, if I can get the money up for it. Hoping to keep it and rebuild it and get it back all factory looking. Might try and even leave where they wrote this stuff on there. I don't know yet. Definitely a shit box.